The Swiss bar, or multi-grip bar as some tend to call it, is an excellent accessory to have in one's home gym arsenal. This bar helps alleviate unnecessary pressure on the shoulder or elbow joints by allowing the lifter to use a neutral grip. For those who deal with previous shoulder injuries, this bar can be a lifesaver while allowing the lifter to continue enjoying some of the most popular barbell lifts. The exercise selection for this bar is also quite extensive, and many of the conventional barbell exercises can simply be swapped out with a variation that can be performed with this bar. I am AJ, and these are just some of the exercises that can be performed while using a Swiss bar. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and comment below with any questions you may have, and I will see you in the next video.